Okay, so let's see another example. Imagine you wanted to extract data for people whose name is either Kathy, Mark, or Nathan. In other words, this time we will try to retrieve a list in which not 2, but 3 conditions are satisfied. We are looking for a first name that is either Kathy, Mark, or Nathan. Considering what you've learned so far to solve this problem, you could write the typical select statement with a where clause, which includes the 3 conditions, all separated by the OR operator. Let's check the outcome of this query. 691 rows. Fine. As a second check, we can scroll over the output section to see that individuals with all 3 names appear in our list. We see Kathy, Mark, and Nathan. Fantastic! Well, there is a quicker and more professional way to approach data retrieval when we must satisfy more than 2 conditions. To do this, you'll need the IN operator. The where clause will look like this: where first name in open parentheses enlist all given names of interest Kathy, Mark, and Nathan close parentheses. Speaking more technically, the IN operator allows SQL to return the names written in parentheses if they exist in our table. Let's verify that the query works properly. Absolutely. Again, 691 rows were retrieved. Perfect. There is another important reason why someone would prefer the second over the first code structure. Look at the amount of time SQL needs to fetch the desired output. The IN structure was quicker than the OR structure. And please, don't think this 1/10 of a second difference is negligible. When applied to larger data sets, it will grow. Minimizing it is a primary task for SQL professionals. Overall, when many conditions are to be applied in a query, the IN operator is preferred. Great! That said, it is straightforward to imagine how the not IN operator can be used. In this case, every name other than Kathy, Mark, and Nathan will be displayed. Let's verify. Yep, it's true. The output doesn't contain any of these 3 names. Because our database contains an extensive list of records, it is normal to expect to see here only the limited by default output of 1,000 rows. Anyway, as you scroll down, you won't find any of the 3 names, which proves we've done our job correctly. Amazing! That's it for the moment. See you in the next video.